So why cash is bad? If you're buying a house and you're not paying cash for the entire amount, it's not good. Cash is not king when it comes to financing. Whenever you go to buy a house and you have cash, if you don't trust the banks, if you don't keep your money in the bank, if you keep it in a safe, it's a problem because we can't verify that money. Whenever you're buying a house, the lender needs to see that money in your account, okay? You can't just go stick it in your account because they're gonna see a large deposit. And they need to source it. According to the guidelines, they have to source where this money comes from. And they don't know whether you've been saving up money, or you sold a car last year and you just kept the cash, or if you're a drug dealer. And they have to, the Patriot Act now requires lenders to source all these money to make sure it's not coming from an illegal source. So you have to have that money in your account. And we go back and look so far on bank statements. And if we see a large deposit, we're gonna have to ask you what it is. And if you can't explain it, you cannot use that cash. It's like it doesn't exist. And if that's the only money you have, they're gonna deny your loan based off of just that. I had a very elderly lady give me a call, and she's 95 years old. And she's been keeping cash ever since day one. That's what she did. That's the thing. And she says in this little sweet voice, she said, "I'm not a drug dealer, Lane." I said, "Well, how do we know that?" And she just starts busting out laughing. And like, we don't know. Like, you can say because we know we're talking to you, but an underwriter doesn't know you or talk to you. An underwriter doesn't know who you are, and they're not going to get to know you. They're going to see what's on paper. And where that money comes from is not on paper if you have cash. So it can be as good as being a drug dealer, or you just been saving up like that your entire life. So if you have cash, you need to reach out to us. You need to give us a call or send us a text so we can start figuring out solutions to these problems.